Gigi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about Amika products. There's two different treatments that I really like. They're very effective from Amika. One is the Flash and the other one is the Kure. But I want you to know the differences between these two so that way it better serves your needs when you use it at home. Flash worked very well for me for customers that have medium to fine hair. It worked incredibly well. It lasted long. It didn't make the scalp oily the next day. It left the hair extremely shiny. It was very, very shiny. Even on fine curly hair, I found that it was hydrating and that it gave a lot of depth to the color because of the shine. So I really, really liked this for medium to fine hair. Now, scent-wise, it's very neutral. It wasn't something that was strong. So if you like something more neutral, not strong as well, this would work for you because it's not, the scent doesn't pop too much. The Flash is more of a watery, glossy consistency. Like, it looks like a little gloss. It looks actually the consistency of an oil. It's not heavy scented as the Kure, but it smells really nice. It's more subtle, but it's a pleasant smell, but it's more subtle. Now the Kure, on the other hand, the scent is very nice. It's very creamy and it's really nice. It works very well for heavy, curly, heavy hair, straight, very long, and very heavy. This one was hydrating. It controlled the curls, it controlled the length. Their flat irons lasted a lot and they love the scent. If you like scents that pop a lot, the Kure was incredibly amazing. It does smell actually really, really nice. I enjoy it too. This one was very popular with my customers. Now this one's more of, like I said, more of a cream base. And like I showed in another video, I'm almost done with it because my customers really like it. So for this, I liked it a lot for my medium to fine. This one, I liked it for my curly hair customers and the thick, heavy hair. It was just amazing. Now, both work also very well for hair that's breaking or that's very sensitive and it gets frizzy because of that, you know, like really over processed hair. Even for permed hair, these two work really, really well. For gray hair, I would recommend the Kure. This one would give it a lot more weight, so that way it's more manageable. If you're ever online or ever in front of the store, now you'll know exactly which one will work and benefit best for your hair. So I hope that you like this video as much as I like making them. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember that healthy hair is shiny hair. Take care. Ciao. This one, the Kure, the differences of this,
Today's our day.